connective tissue instead of muscle. Researchers who study this call it fatty infiltration, and it's a major reason why muscle can shrink even in people who haven't gained noticeable weight. Real-world example. This is part of why a grip strength test, simply squeezing a device as hard as you can, has become one of the most used measures in longevity research. Multiple studies on aging populations have linked lower grip strength to higher risk of falls and reduced independence, precisely because it reflects this deeper, whole-body muscle change. Actionable takeaway this week. Don't wait for a diagnosis to check in. A simple test is to notice how you handle everyday grip tasks. Jars, doorknobs, carrying groceries in one trip instead of two. If these feel harder than they did a year or two ago, that's useful information, not something to dismiss.